welcome to Dear Teacher and Ravi Tuition. Learn maths with Ravi sir. These quotations look funny for me because if I look at the other channels, so I'll be hearing all this welcome, ha, hoo, ha, 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 ha. So I can't do such things, but nowadays I learn to welcome all my viewers. Welcome to Ravi Tuition and Dear Teacher. So sound is not coming. Let me test. Good morning, Subhash. Hello, 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 hello. Yeah, Subhash, I'm just finding it out. Hello, 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 hello. Yeah, hello, 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 hello. Subhash, give me a message if you can hear my voice, huh? Ha 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 ha. My microphone levels are very low. I'll change the microphone and I will come back to you. Meanwhile, I'll play some video. In this video, I am going to teach you how vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite. In this video, I am going to teach how vertically opposite angles are equal. Let us understand first what are vertically opposite angles. Let us take a line. This is a line and this is one more line. What is లో ఈ పేరు వస్తుందన్నమాట ఒక చాప్టర్లో. ఈ కార్టీసియన్ ప్లేన్ అంటే ఏంటి ఏమిటి అని చెప్పి చాలామంది అనుకుంటూ ఉంటారు. కార్టీసియన్ ప్లేన్ అంటే ఒక స్పెసిఫైడ్ ఏదైనా ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ని మనం లొకేట్ చేయాలంటే దానికి ఒక స్పెసిఫిక్గా కొంత ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ కావాలంటే ఇన్ని అడుగుల దూరంలో ఉంది, అలా ఉండాలి. దానికోసం ఒక కార్టీసియన్ ప్లేన్ అంటే ఇటువంటి ఒక గ్రాఫ్ షీట్ లాంటిది, దాన్ని మనం ఏమంటామంటే కార్టీసియన్ ప్లేన్ అంటాం. ప్లేన్ అంటే సర్ఫేసు. సో కార్టీసియన్ ప్లేన్ అంటే ఇలాంటి ఒక గడులు ఉన్న దాన్ని, అంటే ఇది ప్రతిదీ మెజర్డ్ అనమాట. ఇక్కడ స్క్వేర్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, యూనిట్స్, ఇవన్నీ స్క్వేర్స్ అంటే 1 సెంటీమీటర్ అనమాట గ్రాఫ్ షీట్లో ఉండేది. సో ఇలాంటి దాన్ని యూస్ చేసి మనం పాయింట్స్ని, ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ని ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాయో కరెక్ట్గా లొకేట్ చేయడం కోసం మనం ఈ కార్టీసియన్ ప్లేన్ని యూస్ చేస్తాం అనమాట. సో దీంట్లో మనకి వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ థింగ్ ఏంటంటే 2 లైన్స్ ఉంటాయి. 2 లైన్స్. ఒకటేమో హారిజంటల్ లైన్ ఉంటుంది, ఇది హారిజంటల్ లైను. ఓకే, దీన్ని నేను సరిగ్గా డ్రా చేయలేదు. ఇది హారిజంటల్ లైన్. హారిజాంటల్ లైన్ని మనం ఏమంటామంటే ఎక్స్ యాక్సిస్ అంటాం అనమాట. ఎక్స్ యాక్సిస్ అంటాం. ఈ ఎక్స్ యాక్సిస్ అంటే ఇట్స్ నథింగ్ బట్ నెంబర్ లైన్. అంటే ఎప్పుడైతే ఈ ఎక్స్ యాక్సిస్ మనం డ్రా చేస్తామో దీంట్లో మనకి సపోజ్ ఇక్కడ 0 ఉందనుకోండి, ఇది 0 అనుకోండి, ఏమవుతుంది, ఇది ఇటువైపు అన్ని పాజిటివ్ వస్తాయి, ఇటువైపు అన్ని నెగిటివ్ వస్తాయి. సో ఇప్పుడు ఈ కార్టీసియన్ ప్లేన్ 2 భాగాలు అయిపోయింది. పైన ఒక భాగం అయిపోయింది, కింద ఒక భాగం అయిపోయింది. ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది అంటే ఈ ఎక్స్ యాక్సిస్ పైన ఉందని చెప్పగలుగుతాం, అంతేగాని ఇంకా స్పెసిఫిక్గా మనం చేయలేం. కాబట్టి దీనికి మనం ఇంకొక లైన్ డ్రా చేసుకోవాలి. ఒక వెర్టికల్ లైన్ కూడా డ్రా చేయాలి. ఈ వెర్టికల్ లైన్ మనం ఏమంటాం అంటే వై యాక్సిస్ అంటాం. ఓకే, ఇది కూడా నెంబర్ లైనే. ఈ 2 లైన్స్ని యూస్ చేసుకుని, అంటే ఈ 2 యాక్సిస్ని యూస్ చేసుకుని, ఈ 2 రిఫరెన్స్ లైన్స్ని యూస్ చేసుకుని మనం పాయింట్స్ని ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా, ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ని ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా లొకేట్ చేయగలుగుతాం అనమాట. ఇప్పుడు జీపీఎస్లో ఉండేది ఇటువంటి సెటప్పే, రైట్. ఇప్పుడు ఎప్పుడైతే ఈ వెర్టికల్ లైన్ ఏమో, వెర్టికల్ రిఫరెన్స్ లైన్ ఏమో మనం ఏమంటాం అంటే వై యాక్సిస్ అంటాం. ఈ హారిజాంటల్ రిఫరెన్స్ లైన్ని ఎక్స్ యాక్సిస్ అంటాం. రిఫరెన్స్ అనే వర్డ్ ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేశానంటే ఈ 2 లైన్స్ని రిఫర్ చేసుకుని మనం ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ని లొకేట్ చేస్తాం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇక్కడ ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉందనుకోండి, ఏ అనేది ఒక ఆబ్జెక్టు. ఇప్పుడు ఏ అనే ఆబ్జెక్టు ఎక్కడ ఉంది అనేది కరెక్ట్గా మనం లొకేట్ చేయడానికి ఈ 2 రిఫర్గా తీసుకుంటాం అన్నమాట. సో ఈ 2 లైన్స్ నెంబర్ లైన్స్ కాబట్టి ఇవి మనకి కొంత లెంగ్త్ని ఇస్తాయి, మ్యాగ్నిట్యూడ్, లెంగ్త్. Hello. I hope my sound is fine. My sound is okay. Is it still low? Hello. Okay, now I gave you some other video, but that was in Telugu. Yeah. Okay, now I gave you some other video, but that was I changed the cells. Actually मेरा माइक्रोफोन पे सेल्स ख़त्म हो गया है. Okay, I have changed my cells. And let us start coordinate geometry again, right? This is just fast revision, very fast revision, a very important a very important chapter and easy chapter. Maybe you must be thinking that sir is saying every chapter is easy. Yeah, this chapter is easy because we have only two formulas. So in this, with these two formulas, you have to manage the show, right? Only two formulas. Only two formulas. You just memorize two formulas and you will be getting some marks in coordinate geometry. Okay, the first one is a distance formula. Distance formula. This is the first formula. So the other one is a section formula. Section formula. So these two formulas are there. Of course, midpoint formula is there. It will come in this only. Okay, and of course, centroid formula is there. That also will come in this. Okay, so mainly two formulas. If you memorize these two formulas, coordinate geometry is done. The rest of the things are basics. You must have already the knowledge, right? You must have already the knowledge to have. Because you know the distance. Distance means from this point to this point. This is the length of. Okay. So now let me give you the distance formula. So for example, this is a point A and this is a point B. Points will be always with x1, y1, x coordinate, y coordinate. First point is x coordinate. Second one is y coordinate. Think like that. These are the simple things you have to remember. And let us say this is x2 and this is y2. This is one more simple thing. Okay, and the distance between these two, because in coordinate geometry we measure the points, we locate the point using the coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinate. So now the distance is square root of, how it came, you can refer back to my videos and you can learn. I am not teaching how this formula derived. Okay, so very simple, x2 minus x1 whole square and y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance between any 2 points. Okay, so I can give you one question. Let us say this is P and this is Q, and P is say 2 and minus 3, and this is 4, minus 4 and 0. So let us find out the distance between P and Q. So you list out here, x1 is equal to 2 and y1 is equal to minus 3. The first one is x1, y1. So here x2 is equal to minus 4 and y2 is equal to 0. You can remember like that, or you can write in इसके ऊपर आप लिख सकते हो. So this is x1, y1 and x2, y2. Because you are using the formula, so you should indicate. Hey, లాభడ్రా చదువుకున్నావా ఎగ్జామా? మరి తీసుకో, ఇక్కడ కూర్చో, ఈజీ క్వశ్చన్ ఇది. So now let us find out the distance. Distance is equal to square root of x2 minus x1. You write the formula again. Okay, don't because formula carries marks. So then under root, put the brackets, x2 value 2, y2 value x2 minus x1, sorry. x2 is minus 4 x1 is 2, so minus 2 whole square, plus y2 is 0, y1 is minus 3, minus 3, okay, minus 3 whole square. So minus cancel, it will become plus. So then minus 4 minus 2, minus 6 whole square, and 0 plus 3, 3 whole square. So 36 plus 9, which is equal to 45, square root of 45. A very simple question. This is how you have to find out the distance. So this distance you should be able to find out. Even if you don't know the addition, subtractions, nothing, very weak, कुछ भी नहीं आता है, ये क्वेश्चन तो कर सकते हैं. Because I don't believe a 10th class students do not know square root and squares, multiplication, simple multiplications and additions. Okay, every 10th class student can do easily. So this is the first formula. Okay, now second formula I will tell you later. Let me give you some important questions on this. Okay, this is a direct question. Find the distance. Okay, next indirect questions. Indirect questions. So indirect questions are very important questions. I will just give you. There is a triangle. ABC is the triangle. The coordinates of A are 4 and 2. Coordinates of B is 3, 4, and here 5 and 4. So A coordinates are given, point, C is a point 5, 4, B is a point 5, 4. So this is the triangle. Find the sides of triangle. Triangle ABC. In the examination, the 3 vertices of the triangle, so and so, so and so, so and so, it will be given. Find the lengths of the sides. Okay, otherwise show that the vertices of are the vertices of equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle you should know, if all the sides are equal, it is equilateral. This is a very big question, 4 marks question. So now you have to find out AB. That means the distance between A and B, distance formula. You should find out BC, the distance between B and C, and you should find out AC, distance between A and C. That means 3 distance formulas you have to use in this. 3 distance formulas. Okay, so in this we are using the distance formula. So this distance formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is the distance formula, Rasko formula. So now our target is to find out AB, BC, AC. So A is how much? 4, 2. B is how much? 3, 4. That means this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. So AB is equal to, write the formula, x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, square root of x2 is 3, x1 is 4, 3 minus 4 whole square, y2 is 4, y1 is 2, 4 minus 2 whole square. So 3 minus 4 minus 1 whole square, 4 minus 2, 2 whole square. So this is equal to 1 plus 4, which is equal to square root of 5. So we got this is a square root of 5. Same way you can find out this also, right? You can find out AC also, right? On the triangle, say you will be getting like if you want to find out B, you should write B. B is how much? 3, 4, and C is equal to 5, 4. So this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. So now BC is equal to square root of x2 minus 1. Because I am not having space, I am writing directly. 5 minus 3 x2 minus x1 whole square, 4 minus 4, 4 minus 4 whole square, which is equal to 5 minus 3, 2, 2 square, and this is 0 square, which is equal to square root of 4, 2. So answer is 2. That means we got square root of 4. Square root of 4 is nothing but 2. Now we should get AC. So AC means A is how much? 4, 2, and C is how much? 5, 4. So that means this is x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. So AC is equal to square root of x2 minus x1, 5 minus 4, 1 whole square, y2 minus y1, 4 minus 2, 2, 2 whole square. So how much? 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So square root of 5. So I have calculated all the 3 sides. Now in these 3 sides, 2 sides are equal. Therefore it is isosceles triangle. If 2 sides are equal, isosceles triangle. If all the 3 sides are equal, equilateral triangle. Okay, so like that you can decide which type of triangle. This question definitely, this type of question definitely come in the board examination, whether it is AP or CBSE. 100% it will come. So I advise all the students to learn about. So now here triangle is given. Sometimes a quadrilateral will be given. Quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Okay, same. A is equal to say 1 and 4. This is 3 and 4. Okay, and this is 3 and 7, and this is 1 and 5, whatever. So all the 4 sides. So find a question comes like this. Find the sides of the quadrilateral. Find the sides of ABCD quadrilateral. That means you should find out AB, you should find out BC, you should find out CD, okay, you should find out AD. This is also same formula, same distance formula, same thing. It is also a long answer question. So in this variety, he will give the vertices of quadrilateral so and so. Prove that it is a rhombus. You find out all the 3 or 4 sides. If all the 4 sides are equal, it is a rhombus. Prove that it is a parallelogram. You find out AB, BC, CD, AD. If AB is equal to opposite side, in parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD, then it is a parallelogram. Prove that it is a square. In square, all sides are equal and also diagonals equal. 2 conditions. All sides are equal and diagonals are also equal. So like that, definitely questions may come. You may be getting a triangle, very happy, or you may be getting a quadrilateral. That means you have to prove it as a parallelogram, or square, or rhombus, or whatever. Okay. So this is based on one more important, very important question is there. What is that? Y-axis, x-axis. Y-axis and x-axis. So there is a point P is equidistant from both the axes. Both the axes. Okay. So that means like this is 1 and this is 1 and this is 1. So he must be giving 2 points and we have to find out the third point, because 3 points are there. No? Equidistance means if you say that PA and if this is PA, PB, PA is equal to PB. Okay, because this is there on this x-axis, x-axis y0, and this is say somewhat 4. And on y-axis, x is 0, 0 and 5. Okay, 0 and 5. or this is h and k, whatever. So now P is equidistant from both the axes. So the thing is, you should understand this point. On x axis y is 0, on y axis x is 0. Okay? If you remember this, you can get this question easily. So all these questions I am going to touch, because I am giving you a fast revision. I am going to do these questions when I revise a board examination paper. Now let us see board examination paper. What questions have come on the distance formula? I told you now, there is a distance formula and there is a section formula. So let us see how many questions are there on distance formula, right? So let me open my board exam papers. So let us find out how many questions are there on distance formula. Say we are only half done, we didn't do section formula. Okay, अभी देखेंगे ये बोर्ड एग्जाम लास्ट ईयर एग्जाम है, लास्ट ईयर मार्च में हुआ था ये पेपर. सो इसमें डिस्टेंस फार्मूला के ऊपर कितने प्रॉब्लम्स है वो देखेंगे. ओके, सो लेट अस कम फ्रॉम एमसीक्यूज. Let us come from 18. So in this both Hindi and English are there. I told you where you are going to get these papers. Okay. So first question anyhow, it is not from that. So now let us see second question. It is from the triangle. Okay, now the distance of a tangent to the circle, this is from circles. Okay, this is from trigonometry. Okay, you should be able to identify questions which chapter it is coming. Question देख के నువ్వు వేరే చదువుకున్నాను చదువుకో. Question చూసేసి నువ్వు you should be able to do okay. What happened? अभी तक no question. Probability has come. Yeah, two questions have come here, 17 and 18. 17 and 18. The distance of a point P3 from y-axis. So that means you have to find out the distance of a point P from y-axis. So everybody will be thinking that it is a big question. You should understand the concept of this, then only you can easily find out. So let me explain. Say this is a y-axis and this is x-axis. 3 minus 7 here somewhere, positive 3 minus 7 here, P will be there. You should know that is comes under fourth quadrant. Okay, so P, this is 3 and this is minus 7. Okay, I will put red color. This is 3 and this is 7. So now this is P and this is the distance between P and the y-axis. So this is the thing he asked. How much is the distance? This parallel distance you should find out from this. This is 3. So 3 is the correct answer. So the same question may be tilted. Distance of the point P from x-axis. So from x-axis means this is the x-axis, this is the distance. This is the distance between the point and the x-axis. Point, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. So this is the vertical, and this distance is, you have to find out here, -7. So 7 units should come, because distance is always in the positive. Distance is always positive. So 7 units should come, not -7. Here -7 is there, but the distance from this point to this point is 7 units. A very simple question. తెచ్చుకో. I don't know till now. I was not looking at my video. I was explaining continuously. I don't know whether suddenly whether if I look at my mobile, it got stuck. I was not looking at my video. I was explaining continuously. I don't know whether suddenly whether if I look at my mobile, it got stuck. So can anybody give me the message that have you seen this first question? Anyhow, let me go to another question, 18th question. The midpoint of the line segment divides the line segment in the ratio. This comes on the section formula. This is on the distance formula. This is general question, and this comes on the section formula. So one question on general distance and one question on the section formula. Let us see, go to the next question also. Okay. So MCQs में you are getting 2 questions from the coordinate geometry. MCQs, you got 2 questions from the coordinate geometry. Let us see in 2 marks questions. Okay. So circles, triangles, again triangles, linear equations, trigonometry, section C, no question of coordinate geometry in section B, 3 marks question. Okay. So let us see, any 3 marks question is there. Quadratic. Section C also nothing is there. Let us see D, coordinate geometry. Section E came. section E came, case studies came. Yeah, you have got some coordinates of C, radius of the particular thing. So in case study we got question. This is the case study. Okay, this question has come. 37th question. So you have to learn case study question also. It's a very simple case study question. Don't because वो diagrams वगैरह देखे, don't think that it is very big. Okay, it is easy only. So 2 questions MCQs, and again directly it came to the 37th. That means case study. Even case study also you will have 5 marks. So a diagram is given like this. This is the central point. Say C is the center, and here this is one point, this is one point P. So like that it is given already. A help will be given. You have to understand. 2 gates. The gates are placed at A and B. So now here see, this is completely circular path. One gate is here, one gate is here. If you join these 2 gates, it is a diameter. It is a diameter. So that means one gate is at A, one gate is at B. So A is already given. A is 10-20 and B is 50. So that means this is 10-20 and this is 50-50. So if you draw the same thing like this circle, so A is one gate, B is one gate, and C is the middle fountain. Okay, there is one more circle here, and P and Q. So let us read the question first. Okay, and shown in the figure, and 2 fountains are installed at P and Q. Say here 2 fountains, this is P and this is Q, right? So P and Q, and such that AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. AP is equal to, say this is one fountain, AP is equal to, okay, PQ is equal to QB. Okay, so here there is no fountain. So this is how a diagram has come, right? So now that thing is based on the information, find the coordinates of C. That means center you have to find out, right? Find the coordinates, find the radius of the circular path. Coordinates 1 mark, find the radius 1 mark. Okay, find the coordinates of P 2 marks. Okay, total 4 marks question. So how to find out the coordinates of C? Because A is given, B is given. A is how much? 10 and 20, I think, 10, 20, and this is 50, 50. Now you have to find out this. C is the, O is the midpoint of AB, because it is a center. It is a midpoint. So midpoint formula you have to use, and use these 2 A and B. Midpoint formula comes under section formula. So distance formula you have got only 1 mark, and section formula you got 4 marks. So both formulas are important. So now you have to find out C, because it is the midpoint of AB. So like that you can easily go. So we got C also. Now radius. Radius again distance formula. You have to find out AC. So AC is the radius. First you have to find out C using the midpoint formula, and distance between A and C is the radius. So that carries 2 marks. Okay. So then we got radius 1 mark. Find the coordinates of P. Find the coordinates of P. That means P coordinates. So P is dividing AC. That is also comes under section formula, right? So I request all of you to go through the case study questions also. Right? Case study questions will be very simple. You have to convert this situation into our mathematical situations and do it. Same formulas you have to use, same formulas, same concepts, everything is same. Only the thing is you have to apply. Okay? So now total 4 plus 2, 6 marks have come from this chapter, right? So now let me take you to my board. So my sincere advice to all of you is, you revise the chapter and memorize the formulas whatever is there, and also parallelly you look into the board examination. I am seeing only one board examination, that means last year board examination. So many question papers are available. Okay, I have one book like this. So many questions are available, question paper books are available. So when you are doing a chapter, so in this for example, this is Andhra Pradesh State Board question paper. In this, total 5 model papers are given, practice papers total 12 plus 4, 16. 16 question papers are given. 16 question papers are too much, but I advise all the 10th class students, when you are doing a chapter revision, you have to work parallelly with the previous examination questions also, PYQ. So today I'll stop my class. Tomorrow I'll continue coordinate geometry. I'll have some board exam papers also, and then we'll see tomorrow. Please share my channel, like my channel, and attend regularly to my classes. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. And check the description also. You can check the description. And I did not say good morning to so many people today. Okay. I did not see. There is a Mubaskaran Yadav, Jatav, hello, good morning. Samarpan, hello, good morning. Subhash is right from the beginning, good morning. So only these people are there, good morning. So if you can give the messages, I will just speak to you once, right? Subhash, right from the beginning he was there, good morning. And Mubaskaran Jatav, hello, good morning. I am new to your channel, LK. Okay, where are you from? Good morning, LK. If you can give me a complete name, I will be very happy. I can call you with that name. LK means Lieutenant Colonel. Lieutenant Colonel. I will be happy whoever is there. You can wish me. I am sitting in my chair and I am looking at your messages. Can you write your name, LK? Jharkhand, okay, Jharkhand. How is Jharkhand? Fine. So every day I am taking a online class from past 4 months, regularly without missing a day. Andhra Pradesh mein very big cyclone has come. Even then I have taken the class. Oh, Lavish Kumar, wow, nice name. Okay, so you are studying, I hope you are studying in CBSE school. Okay, you share my channel and join my channel, because morning time is comfortable for everybody, right? And there is a WhatsApp group in my description, class 10 WhatsApp group. You can join there also. If at all, if some people are interested, I can take the interactive class, like using Zoom app, Zoom or Google Meet. I can definitely interact with you when I was explaining. Okay, so because the same process will be there, but I will use a Zoom, and some people definitely lazy crafter 12th class. I am explaining only 10th class. I am happy a 12th class student is also there in my class. Good. I am feeling not comfortable to call your name lazy crafter. So I know you are having special names for your channels. Okay, somewhat I feel odd, say LK lazy crafter. Anyhow, whatever. Right? Very nice chatting with you. Still, if somebody wants to have a talk with me, you can have you can always talk to me. I am looking at your comments. So in the description there are yeah, Rohan, very nice. I love this name Rohan because I was having a student Rohan Kachne, Maharashtra. I was in Maharashtra for quite a long time. So he was a beautiful singer and also topper in the class. He got district second in his 10th class. Now he is doing job. He got IIT seat. So he was engineer and he is nice. He is a beautiful singer. Okay. Nice name, Rohan. Rohan is one of my favorite names. So in the description I have given MCQs link also, all the 13 chapters, because when you look at the board examination papers, MCQs are playing a very vital role. So that you have to focus more on MCQs also. So I have given in the description, I made MCQ test for all the 13 chapters. पूरा 13 चैप्टर्स के लिए मैं MCQ टेस्ट बनाया है, वो डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. सो आप देख के उसको यूज़ कर सकते, राइट. सो वैलिड फॉर 3 months. It is just 5 rupees all the 13, because I have to keep some fees. I kept it's just 5 rupees. All the 13 chapters MCQs are available in the description, and definitely you can go through it, and you can be in contact with me. That is my learning app. I have an app also, a learning app, Dear Teacher. You can download from the Google Play Store. And you can enjoy my app also. Definitely I will be in touch with you. Nice chatting with you, dear 10th class and also a 12th class student. Right? Bye bye. Is that Rohan from Malkapur? Lazy crafter, that name Rohan. Are you from Malkapur? Anyhow, it's not Malkapur because 12th. He has completed already engineering. So anyhow, bye bye. See you tomorrow, same time. If still somebody wants me to teach something, I can definitely clear your doubts. If you are having any doubt, put the chapter number. I have the textbook, okay, with me. You give the exercise number and a question number so that I can explain you right now. As per my schedule, I have already taught. So my schedule is tomorrow. If anybody wants me to teach something, I can teach definitely. Thanks. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.